Hey everybody, Nick here, also known as the Bearded Housewife, and welcome to another card making video. Today I have a really simple Hanukkah insert card for you. This is my cute little Happy Hanukkah insert card. It has that sweet little boy with the yarmulke and the sash. And of course I have an envelope as well. Now this card can be made on all three of the Cricut cutting machines. I'm going to be using my Cricut Maker in this tutorial, but if you click the link below, it will take you to my blog post, and within the blog post there are directions on how to use any of the three Cricut cutting machines. This card is super simple to make and I can't wait to show it to you. Before we get started, make sure to hit like and smash that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any card making fun. And with that, let's get to it. Step 1. Get the free SVG cut file. Okay, here we are at my blog, thebeardedhousewife.com. We're going to head to the Resource Library tab. If you don't have access to my free file library, you can click Get Access. You'll fill out a form and be emailed the password. But for now, we're going to head to Enter the Library. Go ahead and type in the password and hit Enter. And then you're brought to all the free files. For this project, you're going to want to look for number 154. That's the Happy Hanukkah insert card. Go ahead and click that hyperlink, download the file to your computer, make sure to unzip the file, and then we can open up Cricut Design Space. Step 2. Upload the design to Cricut Design Space. Now that we're in the new project in Cricut Design Space, we can go ahead and click Upload, Upload Image, and Browse. Find where we downloaded the file onto our computer. I will be using the Cricut Explorer and Cricut Maker version of this file, but there is also a Cricut Joy version. Go ahead and click Open, and Upload. Highlight the image, and click Add to Canvas. Step 3. Convert score lines in any text. Now that the file has been brought into our canvas, we can go ahead and ungroup the design. That's this button right here. And now we need to do some converting to the score lines as well as some of the clip art. So first, scroll down the Layers panel and find the envelope. Click the score line, that is this black box right here. Head up to the Operation menu and change that to Score. Highlight the group and attach. We need to do the same thing for the card base, so highlight the score line, come up to the Operation menu and change that to Score. And lastly, we need to change the sentiment and then the outline of the little character. We want the Cricut to draw those items, so we need to highlight that clip art, come up to the Operation menu and change that to Pen. You can change the outline color if you would prefer, but I'm actually going to keep it on black. Then highlight the group and attach. Once you have done those conversions, you can head up to Make It. I'm going to be using the mats for this project. Go ahead and click Confirm and Continue. I'll be using medium cardstock for this project. I'm going to go ahead and get everything cut out, and I'll see you when it's time to assemble. Step 4. Cut out the design. Step 5. Assemble your card. Okay, now that everything has been cut out, it's time to go ahead and start to assemble. The first thing that we need to do is to fold along the score lines. Give that a good burnish. Open up the card base and slip the insert into the slits on the card base. And there is our cute little card. going to set him to the side. Let's go ahead and work on the envelope. We're going to fold and burnish along the score lines. Go ahead and add your glue along the outer edge of the inlay. Place the inlay over the cutout on the envelope. Spin the envelope around and bring those side flaps in. Add your glue to the bottom of the side flaps. With your thumbs, go ahead and push up on the bottom flap and give it a press. And that forms your envelope. Isn't this card so adorable? I love the simplicity of insert cards. You all know that, and I can't wait for you to make this one. If you like this card, make sure to post it in our Facebook group. We have thousands of crafting friends who love to inspire and motivate each other, and we would love to see your creations. There's a link down below for you to check it out. Until next time, I'm Nick, I'm the Bearded Housewife, and I will see you at the next card making video. Bye!